How's it, T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. And today we're going to be talking about the Logitech G332 gaming stereo headset. Now, this is a request video from a member of this family. So Nathan, if you're watching, thank you. Let's get into it. Okay. Like always, from this point on till the end of the review, I'm going to be using the mic of the headset so that you can hear exactly what the mic sounds like. Are you ready? Let's go. Firstly, let me say this. I love the design of the headset. It is simple and smooth, a very slight matte finish. No crazy extra stuff, save for the Logitech logo and the red and black theme. The headband is made from a flexible plastic. Now, if the plastic used was of cheap quality, then they must have done something to mask it because it feels really sturdy yet bendable. It will fit any head size thanks to the side adjustments that is reinforced with steel. Underneath is a section of cushion wrapped with what I think is PU leather because it is soft and doesn't look like it will crack any day now. This section also helps with comfort for the wearer, especially if you're gaming for a long time. At the end of the headband, it is designed to swivel sideways. There is also a swivel hinge for better movement on the ear cups. The ear cups are large enough to cover your ears, and though it is not a noise cancelling headset, the earmuffs keeps out some sound. Now, for a budget headset, Logitech has done a fine job with the sound on this one. It is very clear, it is loud, it is well balanced sound. It's really impressive. It performed really well when identifying enemy positions, so FPS gamers, this is another one for you to try. Listening to music on this headset isn't something I would advise since it is a gaming headset. The earmuffs are made with soft foam wrapped with the same leather as the headband cushion. Thanks to the swivel hinges, the ear cups are flexible and stay covering your ears even when you move around. I would give the audio an 8 out of 10. The mic is a boom that flips up and down on the left ear cup, a unidirectional mic with an impressive sound production. While using the mic and you don't want your friends to hear what you're saying, just flip it up. At the start of the review, I said I'll be using the mic for the voiceover, so if you can hear the sound of my voice, it is coming to you through the mic. I give it a solid 7 out of 10. You be the judge for yourself. The volume scroll is behind the left ear cup. If you're new to this channel, know this. I do not like any type of control behind the ear cup. But to their credit on this one, the scroll button is large enough for a decent scrolling, so no struggles trying to increase the volume. The cable on this one is rather too thin for me, so if you ask me, I would say be very careful not to snag it on something, you just might break it. The cable ends with a 3.5mm jack. Also included is an audio adapter, so whatever you game on, you can definitely use this headset. So in summary, the Logitech G332 is state-of-the-art as far as budget headset goes. It's built sturdy, it's comfortable and super lightweight. The design is simple and elegant, nothing over the top, and best of all, performance is outstanding. This headset deserves the T.O.B stamp of approval. Oh, thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them across your social media platforms. If you're watching for the first time, consider subscribing. Please leave a comment in the comment section because I'd like to know your thoughts on this subject. And until next time, take care.